Okay, so today we will do the problem of count and say. So, uh, count and say is defined by first of all this base condition where if we give 1, so the output will be 1, and if we give any number higher than 1, then it will first count the number of specific digits and write the count of it first and then the digit. For example, if we see this one, so this can be represented like this. First of all, we see two threes at the beginning, so we'll write 2 3. Then we see 3 twos are there, so we'll write 3 and 2. Then we see 1 5 is there, so we'll write 1 and 5. So the count is written first and then the digit. So like this we have 1 1, so we'll write 1 and 1. So first the count, then the digit. So like this we can go on. And if we take, suppose, n to be 4, for example we take n to be 4, so first of all we have our string as 1, then we start from here. This is our first step, this is our step 1, and then we can see we have only one once, so I am writing the count of it first and then the digit, so I'm having 1 1. So this is my second step. Then I will further process this one. I am seeing that we have two ones here, so I can write 2 1. First we are writing the count and then the digit. This is my third step. And in the step 4 we can again see there are 1 2, and we can see there are only one number of ones, so 1 and 1. This is my step 4, and ideally I should return this number because I have n equal to 4. But for showing you guys, I can do one more step. I can see there are 1 1s, so I can write 1 and 1. Then I can see there are 1 2s, so 1 and 2. Then I can see there are 2 1s, so 2 and 1. This is my step 5. So like this we can go on and on and on. And the limit here it has been given 30, so n can be anything between 1 and 30. So let us do that. So first of all, if I am making another function, so public string, and here I can name the function as count say, and I can give a string, suppose str, and I can give the value of n, so int n. So if n is my 1, then I'll return the string as it is, because then we have come to the end of our processing. And if it is not that, then I have to form another string. Okay, and now I need to iterate through the string, and here I will extract the ith character by str.caret I. So we have got our ith character, and now we need to check how many of this character is present. So I'll just maintain a count variable, and I will write for int j equal to I, and j will be less than obviously str dot length and j plus plus, and we'll break if ch is not equal to uh, whatever the position of the jth character is. Str dot caret j. So if it's not equal, then we'll definitely break, but if it is equal, then the loop will go on and the count will be incremented, and at the end we can update the count and the character. So str1 equal to str1 plus, then first of all we have to concatenate the count first and then the character. So the character is ch. So in this way the string will be made, and then we can pass, we can again call uh, this function count say. So that is str and str1, sorry, and in minus 1, and we can return str2. Okay, that is fine. And here I need to, since the count say, so count say and string initially will be 1, and we'll pass the in, and whatever string it will return, I'll just return there. So let's see if it is working or not. Okay, so for 1 it is accepted. Let's give a random test case, suppose 4, and see if it is running or not. Okay, so it is, the output has come very big. Okay, so at the end we didn't increment this I, so I think for that the problem is there. So suppose this is the example, so I have counted both the threes and I have not incremented I, so for the next element also will have the 3, but I don't want that. Once I have accessed all the threes, then my I should go to the 2, and once I've accessed all the 2, my I should go to 5. So I should increment my I after this, so that should be I equal to I plus count minus 1, because we see if 1 is present, the character number is 1, then it will be incremented 1 time, and so I don't want that, because it is already incrementing here. So just I am doing minus 1, so it will be alright. So now let's see. Okay, so now it is fine. So let me submit the code, and we have a solution accepted.